Ladies 209, we are excited to highlight this local gem for you guys.
Currently at Recycled Granite over here in Cherville, right off 41.
With the holidays coming up as well, they have classes called Stone and Palette. A lot of you might know them. They go through on Facebook.
Yeah.
They do have a couple classes that are still open, but we are excited to highlight everything for you guys today.
Yes.
What Recycled Granite and Stone and Palette
Has to offer for you.
All right. Have quite a few variety of custom-made jewelry that we wanted to highlight for you guys. These are just some of the necklaces. They do have bracelets, earrings as well. And then what's pretty cool is they have, I know you guys are looking for those little gifts like you don't know what to get anybody. They have these little granite cheese boards. How cute is this? And I know I'm a whiskey fan, and my dad's a whiskey fan too. So they have these little, I'll show you guys. They're called ice stones made out of granite that you put in your whiskey so you don't water it down. Super cool.
So, with what this week is bringing us
Yes.
here in Northwest
Chilly.
Indiana, it's getting colder, right? And we know everybody likes to, that's when you kind of hunker down and stay indoors.
Yes.
Guess what? Home renovations, right?
Yes. Recycled Granite, what they do is they work with you for a custom backsplash.
Awesome.
Yes.
That's awesome.
It's anywhere from $7 to $12 a square foot. And they're also going to work with you to kind of decide what colors you want to do and
so
blend together.
When Rebecca says like what colors to decide, so you guys come in, bring your countertop or your paint color, and what they'll do is they'll work with you what colors would look great for that backsplash.
Absolutely.
So it's red wine season, my favorite season.
Yeah.
They have these cute little wine stoppers that you can buy.
Super cute.
And I know the holidays when family and stuff starts coming over.
Don't want to get your drinks mixed up or anything.
Nope. Cute little wine charms for your
Super
glasses.
cute. I'm going to have to pick that up for one of my best friends. So back here they have a great space where you could make your custom boards, and they do their Stone and Palette classes. Stone and Palette is eco art for all ages. You could book it for private parties, birthday parties, really anything you want. Grab your girls for a girls' night out. It's eco-friendly fun for everyone. Guys, they are offering some really awesome things to do for their December classes. December 4th, they are going to be doing these cute little vintage button trees on a board. They still have a few spots open for their December 10th class for their triangle Christmas tree. So definitely check out their Facebook page and definitely sign up because I want to do this class. Thank you so much for watching this,
Thank you guys so much, and we are excited. Stay tuned this week for
Our Friday
giveaway. Thanks, guys.